Rejection is an inevitable part of life, but it doesn't have to be debilitating. In fact, it can be a powerful tool for personal growth and development. Here are 13 lessons on how to use rejection to your advantage. Ignore them too when faced with rejection. It's easy to dwell on the opinions of those who turned you down. Instead, focus on your own path and goals. Their rejection doesn't define your worth or potential. Don't react emotionally. Reacting emotionally to rejection can cloud your judgment and hinder your ability to move forward. Take a step back, process your emotions, and respond calmly and rationally. Remove them from your mind. Obsessing over the reasons for rejection can be counterproductive. Instead, redirect your energy towards positive endeavors and surround yourself with supportive people who believe in you. Demonstrate your value. Use rejection as an opportunity to showcase your skills, talents, and worth. Take on new challenges and projects that highlight your strengths and capabilities. Cut off contact. Continuing to engage with those who rejected you can be emotionally draining. Cut off contact and focus on nurturing relationships with individuals who appreciate and value you. Prove them wrong. Channel your frustration into motivation and prove your doubters wrong. Use rejection as fuel to push yourself harder and achieve even greater success. Go out and have fun. Don't let rejection consume your life. Take time to enjoy yourself and pursue activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. A positive mindset is key to overcoming setbacks. Build your social status. Invest in building a strong social network of supportive friends, mentors, and colleagues. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can help bolster your confidence and resilience in the face of rejection. Act as if they don't exist. Don't let the opinions of those who rejected you hold power over you. Act as if they don't exist and focus on forging your own path to success. Give them the silent treatment. Sometimes, the best response to rejection is silence. Refrain from engaging with those who have turned you down and let your actions speak louder than words. Don't beg for attention. Seeking validation from those who rejected you only reinforces their power over you. Instead, focus on building self-confidence and self-worth from within. Be kind but emotionally distant. Maintain civility and professionalism in your interactions with those who rejected you, but keep emotional distance to protect yourself from further hurt or disappointment. Don't reveal your struggle. While it's important to be authentic, you don't have to broadcast your every struggle to the world. Use rejection as a learning experience and keep your focus on moving forward with resilience and determination. In conclusion, rejection is not the end. It's an opportunity for growth, learning, and self-discovery. By applying these 13 lessons, you can leverage rejection to your favor and emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before.